You are going to love the 2015 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, sunroof, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, luggage rack, remote vehicle start. Inside you'll find cruise control, console, floor mats. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.